Hi, my name is Bart Hickey. I'm 57 years old, and I always had a passion for cars. I liked cars and liked working on them. I'm an auto mechanic.
I think my father's passion comes from my grandfather. He passed when my dad was very young, and he always taught him how to work with his hands. So I think a lot of that is attributed to my grandfather. Passion and feeling, a lot of that is because it excites his senses and his abilities. He has driven cars too, not very far, but in and out of the shop. He has pulled cars in and out.
I always thought it'd be neat to drive. I have imagined driving. It'd be neat to be able to take a car out on the salt flats in Utah and just drive without hitting anything, because there's nothing in the way out there.
We live in Montgomery, which is southwest Chicago. It's a very tight-knit community, very blue-collar, very hard-working people. So obviously someone like my father, he's a very good fit for that community. He's been living there since he was in high school, so he's been working on cars for a long time there. Today is our annual car show. We have one every year. We have our friends, family, customers out. We always get some new faces, some new cars, so it's always exciting.
That's amazing. What's next to him?
My father's always loved cars. He's always had that passion, just the touch, the smell, the feel of them. So he's always loved them. But he's never been able to drive a car and get that real experience.
Inside the car. What's up, man?
Today is definitely a way to say thank you to my father. If there's anyone that's deserving, it's him. This is the #1 thing on his bucket list. I think he's definitely going to be smiling and excited and just really surprised. In the past 5 years, trying to get this project done,
Here you go. Here's a card. Open it up. Open it up.
it's been many nights staying up late,
Open it up.
writing out emails, writing letters to different companies, and just trying to get someone's attention to possibly give us this opportunity.
Oh my God. I need my daughter to help me. I can't read
Here, come here, Bridge. Come here.
in Oregon. Dear Bart, we heard about your lifelong dream of driving all by yourself, and we are more than happy to make this happen. It would be you in this beautiful car in the endless desert of Alvoid Lake, Oregon. No boundaries, no speed limits, even better than the German Autobahn. I don't know about that. Are you up for a ride? Your fans at Mercedes-Benz. No shit. You love your son, Brendan.
My father's been blind since birth, but nonetheless, he's always been a huge car guy, just a total petrol head. And so that's obviously why he became a mechanic. He just loves cars and everything about them.
Open the hood. Oh, it's right here. I didn't see it. Woo!
This is the handcrafted placard.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow.
What do you see?
I see where you're going to be driving, man.
Holy crap.
That thing goes on forever.
I thought it was going to be a lot softer.
Here you go. You got a feel for this. All right, so that's the silt that's breaking down when the tires are on it. Yeah.
The relationship between me and my father is definitely unique.
Oh, so you see any people out here?
Not really.
Look how quiet it is out here.
It's very quiet out here.
We're definitely very close. So I kind of have more of a friendship with him than some of my friends and their fathers have.
It should be pretty cool.
Definitely.
What do you think? You like it?
Oh, it's great. Should be good.
I got dirt all over you.
All right.
Watch yourself. It's a tight squeeze.
Let's do it.
It's like a glove in there. Yeah.
Yeah.
And a little bit more towards me. All right, you'll feel, here's our gear shifter.
Okay.
All right, so that's what's going to put us into drive. And
All
then
right.
you'll notice a small button. You feel the ridges on the edge of that?
Yes.
All right, so if you rotate that, yep, just go ahead and rotate it back and forth.
Okay.
All right, that's going to change our drive modes. All right, and then I know you've already noticed these before. You got some paddle shifters there at your
Right.
fingertips.
Right.
Yeah. So your left one's going to shift you down and your right one's going to shift you up.
Okay.
Those are a ton of fun to play with. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right, so what questions do you have for me?
Nothing. Just,
Nothing?
no.
Yeah. When can we start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right.
Okay, guys.
All right. Are we ready?
Go straight. Just keep it straight for now. Go. One more. More. Easy. Keep going. Easy. Go.
Oh, it's definitely cool.
This is awesome. You talk like a fucking driving car. They got a drone out in front of us right now.
Nice.
This is crazy. How do you feel, guys?
Great.
Guys, it's awesome.
Yeah, you can step on it, just go.
How fast we going?
We're going, right? Keep going, you're good.
How fast?
Right?
What Brendan did for me to realize my dream of being able to take a car out and drive it was awesome. I mean, he talked to people and got things going, and here we are.